Sakalayan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
This man is an assassin and murderer of your own family members. Not only that, but he has also dissatisfied his master. He is but the burnt remnants of his family. Kill him immediately. The son of Dronakarya is condemned here as the burnt remnants of his family. The good name of Dronakarya was very much respected. Although he joined the enemy camp, the Pandavas held him always in respect, and Arjun saluted him before beginning the fight. There was nothing wrong in that way. But the son of Dronakarya degraded himself by committing acts which are never done by the Dvijas or the twice-born higher castes. Ashvathama, the son of Dronakarya, committed murder by killing the 5 sleeping sons of Draupadi, by which he dissatisfied his master Duryodhan, who never approved of the heinous act of killing the 5 sleeping sons of the Pandavas. This means that Ashvathama became an assaulter of Arjun's own family members, and thus he was liable to be punished by him. In the Shastras, he who attacks without notice, or kills from behind, or sets fire to another's house, or kidnaps one's wife, is condemned to death. Krishna reminded Arjuna of these facts so that he might take notice of them and do the needful.